Welcome to Understanding Social Science for Grade 7 by Galaxy Publications. So this is chapter number 7, Life in the Tropical and Subtropical Regions. तो पहले हम देखते हैं ट्रॉपिकल एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन्स कौन से होते हैं. Tropical and subtropical region extends in both the sides of equator to 30 degree. That means 30 degree north हो या 30 and the land is predominantly acidic. वहाँ की जो land होती है वो acidic होती है, rocky होती है and it is a poor land. The high aluminum content dissolved in the water is toxic for plants. Now we learn about the life in Amazon basin. तो सबसे पहले हम वहाँ की लोकेशन के बारे में देखते हैं. It is the second largest river in the world in the Amazon, that is the Nile River being the largest. But in terms of the size and the volume of water, the Amazon flows the largest river in the world. And this is Amazon River flows through the Amazon basin. आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं Amazon basin है, यहाँ से Amazon River flow होती है. The Amazon is in the, यहाँ आप देखेंगे, this is Amazon and this is showing Amazon River और ये Amazon basin है. And it exists in the South America. It is the northern part of South America and this river carries snow and rainfall from Andes mountain in the west to the Atlantic Ocean in the east. और यहाँ का climate कैसा होता है? The climate of this region is hot and wet throughout the year. Hot भी होता है और नम भी होता है. The average rainfall is 200 centimeter. Day and night are almost equal duration throughout the year. जितना बड़ा दिन होता है उतनी ही बड़ी यहाँ पर रात भी होती है. Now we'll look at its topography. Amazon basin is the largest river basin in the world and a basin is a hollow or depression in the earth surface. Basin क्या होता है? किसी earth के normal surface में कुछ depression, जैसे आप अपने घर में basin देखते हैं उस तरह से एक depression होता है, wholly और partly surrounded by higher lands and such as river basin, lake basin and ocean basins. Because of hot and humid climate, Amazon basin has dense evergreen rain forest. The basin holds 20% of fresh water of the earth. इस basin में earth का 20% of fresh water. Though the indigenous people of this region lived for 1,000 years, they hunted, fished and grew crop. They had small farms. उनके छोटे छोटे farms भी होते हैं. They practiced these activities only for their survival and not for trading. वो ये सब चीज़ें अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए करते थे, अपने फूड के लिए करते थे एंड कोई भी इस मेंटालिटी से बिजनेस या ट्रेडिंग के पर्पस से ये काम नहीं करता था. द इंडिजिनस पीपल प्रैक्टिस शिफ्टिंग एग्रीकल्चर, मतलब कभी किसी पार्ट ऑफ लैंड पर खेती करेंगे, कभी किसी पार्ट ऑफ लैंड पर खेती करेंगे. It is the method of farming. A patch of ground is cultivated for period of few years until the soil is partly exhausted or overrun by weeds and after which the land is left to natural vegetation and then cultivation by the indigenous people is carried on elsewhere. तो वो क्या करते थे, कुछ सालों तक एक पर्टिकुलर पीस ऑफ लैंड पर फार्मिंग करते थे और फिर वो लैंड जब कल्टीवेट नहीं हो पाती थी उसको नेचुरल वे में रिसोर्सेज के लिए, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन के लिए छोड़ देते थे और दूसरे पार्ट ऑफ लैंड पर वो जाकर अपनी फार्मिंग करते थे. Then today such people are fewer in number. The important food crop is manioc, also known as cassava. However, now the needs and wants of the farmers have changed tremendously. They not only want to grow their own big farms but also grow crops to sell. अब वो ट्रेडिंग करने लगे हैं, उन क्रॉप्स को सेल करने लगे हैं. Some of the important crops grown in this region are coffee, sugarcane, maize and cocoa. And इस तरह से अब उनका माइंड बिजनेस के लिए डायरेक्ट हो गया है. Slash and burn agriculture. It was Christopher Columbus who discovered New World. Since this discovery, many Europeans migrated to South America. अब हम बात करते हैं लाइफ इन गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्रा प्लेन. इसकी लोकेशन देखेंगे पहले. इंडिया हैज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सटेंसिव रिवर लाइन प्लेन इन द वर्ल्ड formed by the rivers, and that is the Ganga, the Indus and the Brahmaputra. This river line plain lies to the south of Himalayas and it extends about 2500 kilometer in east-west direction. The plain includes the states of India. कौन कौन से states आते हैं? उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार and West Bengal. However, the major plain of Brahmaputra is confined to. Now we'll talk about its climatic conditions. The climate of this region is typically monsoon type of climate. Summers are hot and dry. Most of the rain occurs during the monsoon season. कौन से मौसम में? जून से सितंबर में. And the rainfall is heavy in Brahmaputra basin and in the eastern Ganga basin. अगर हम वेस्टर्न गंगा बेसिन की बात करें, इट रिसीव्स relatively less rainfall and winters are cold and dry. Now coming to flora and fauna, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin is rich with tropical deciduous forest which yield valuable timber. अगर हम sal, teak, peepal, bamboo की बात करें, they are the important trees which are found in this forest. The Ganga Brahmaputra Delta has mangrove forest. In the Delta region, the Royal Bengal tigers, crocodiles and alligators are found. तो हम इन animals को यहाँ पर find करते हैं. A large variety of fishes. कौन कौन सी fishes such as rohu, catla and hilsa are also found. Some parts of this basin are found in coniferous forest and the large part of these forest has been cleared, providing land for the agriculture. The forests are rich in wildlife. ये वाले forest में wildlife भी बहुत होती है. There are many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries and we can find many animals here. जो कॉमन एनिमल्स है यहाँ पर फाइंड होते हैं, उन एनिमल्स का नाम लें अगर हम, तो उनमें आता है एलिफेंट, राइनोसोर्स, टाइगर्स, डियर, मंकीज. These are found in this forest. And what are the human activities conducted here? This fertile plain has attracted people as a region to settle down. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ का settle होते हैं. The availability of water, ease of transportation and congenial climate also added to their preference for this region. Now because of this soil, numerous towns and cities have grown in this plain. The capital of India, New Delhi, is located on this plain. Varanasi की बात करते हैं, which is an ancient city. It is located along the bank of Ganga. Hundreds of other towns and cities are located in this plain and some of them are Haridwar, Allahabad, Patna, Kolkata, Tezpur and Dispur. One of the important agricultural region of India is Ganga. और इसके साथ साथ bauxite, oil, nickel, copper and tin, ये वहाँ पर surplus होते हैं and they are mined in the Amazon basin and canoes are the important means of transport. The Indus, the Ganga and Brahmaputra form a vast riverine plain. The Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is the biggest. So I hope you enjoyed learning. Thanks for watching.